Do you worry about the well-being of your loved ones when you're away? Protect your home and keep an eye on what matters most with the Littlelf wireless security camera. It's ideal to use as a nanny cam, a shop security camera, or even to keep an eye on the sick. No messy running cables. You have the freedom to install at any location where power and internet is available. Our 3D panoramic technology enables you to see the whole camera viewpoint without having to rotate the unit. There are no dead angles where activity can be missed, and your recordings or live view will be provided in high definition. It's easy to use. Just download the Littlelf app on your Android or iOS and register an account. Turn on the unit and sync it with your app on your smartphone. The box contains a detailed manual to help you with installation. It also comes with an adapter, a cable, base holder, fixed adjustable plate, and a memory card with a capacity of 128 gigabytes. The surveillance camera features a 350-degree horizontal and 105-degree field of vision with infrared that automatically switches between day and night modes as the light changes. So even when the room gets dark, you can still get a clear view. It also has a two-way voice intercom which allows you to communicate with those in the room in real time. Just hold the call button and speak. Buy now and enjoy the peace of mind that your loved ones and your belongings are protected with our state-of-the-art panoramic security camera, available exclusively on Amazon.
Meet the new Mi Home Security Camera 360. Your smart solution for a worry-free home. You can set it up and connect to it in a jiffy, and right away get a beautiful 360-degree panoramic view. No matter where you are, you can now check your home in full 1080p HD. And with its infrared night vision, you can see better, even in the dark. Its built-in AI-enhanced motion detection system recognizes movements and notifies you instantly. And using its two-way voice feature,
Rohan,
you can communicate effortlessly.
Sorry, ma'am.
And thanks to its high-quality compression, you'll never run out of storage. Secure your home with the Mi Home Security Camera 360. Live secure. Xiaomi.
It's the goodness that makes you dance and sing.
Yes!